Voices call our name, lifting us high, fueling the flame. The cheers ignite, but they burn out fast. A fleeting dream that just won't last. We chase their words, giving them sway, but their stories crumble, they fade away. Oh, let the master pen your story. Love, grace, and forgiveness weaves the rhyme. Unique and wonderfully made, known before the stars were splayed. Hearts of hope, peace-driven souls, His truth our soul. Hear the Master's crafted lines that echo of a love divine. They crowned us full, the brightest souls, but their spotlight shifts, their fleeting passing praise. A hollow echo, a heart alone, but in His whispered truth we find a love that calls us home. Oh, let the Master pen your story. Love, grace, and forgiveness weaves the rhyme. Unique and wonderfully made, known before the stars were splayed. Hearts of hope, peace-driven souls, His truth our soul. Hear the Master's crafted lines that echo of a love divine. Through the noise we hear His call, knew us all before the fall. Wonderfully made by His design, a soul, a spark divine. We can rise above with hearts set free, living the story the Creator's design. Oh, let the Master pen your story. Love, grace, and forgiveness weaves the rhyme. Unique and wonderfully made, known before the stars were splayed. Hearts of hope, peace-driven souls, His truth our soul. Hear the Master's crafted lines that echo of a love divine. Down this road with joy we'll stand, held forever in His hand. Oh, let the Creator write your story. Let the Master pen your song.